fight diabetes. Black tea. Already touted as a healthy drink, chock full of antioxidants, drinking up to 4 cups of black tea a day has been shown to help reduce the risk of diabetes by about 16%. This is due to the presence of polysaccharides, a kind of carbohydrate that slows down the bloodstream's sugar absorption. Coffee. Studies show that drinking more than 1 cup of coffee a day over 4 years decreased people's risks for type 2 diabetes by around 11%. It's not just the caffeine. Either decaffeinated coffee has been shown to reduce the risk of diabetes by about 36%. Researchers believe that it may be due to phytonutrients, which are plant-based chemicals that slow down the release of sugar into the blood. Water. Drinking at least 16 ounces of water a day is essential for diabetics. What if you drank more? A study by French researchers reported that people who drank more than 34 ounces of water a day had less chances of developing hyperglycemia in the next decade or so. This could be because of the connection between diabetes and vasopressin, a hormone that controls water in the body. Coconut water. Next time you want a sweet and refreshing drink, give coconut water a try. This miracle drink from nature is low in calories and sugar but high in benefits. It contains B vitamins and potassium. It is also a healthier alternative to sports drinks because it contains electrolytes, enzymes, and amino acids that help control your sugar levels. Hot chocolate. While hot chocolate is normally considered something bad for diabetics to drink, studies show that it can actually have significant health benefits if prepared correctly. According to researchers, chocolate and cocoa can improve your insulin resistance by reducing serum insulin, giving your body better blood sugar control. Almond milk. Besides being cholesterol-free, almond milk also contains a low amount of sugar. Just make sure you get the unsweetened versions so that you will get just 7 grams of sugar per cup. Because they are low on the glycemic index, your body is able to more efficiently digest and turn its sugar into energy. Spiced tea. You can also add spiced tea to your day by sprinkling some cinnamon and turmeric in a cup or hot water. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin function and combined with water, control elevated sugar over time. Cinnamon is also, of course, filled with loads of antioxidants. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another drink that can help control blood sugar. Vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity after high-carb meals by lowering blood glucose and insulin responses. It also helps in weight loss. Vinegar increases the feeling of fullness during meals, which means your caloric intake will likely decrease. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. How to make and use fenugreek powder for diabetes, home remedy and benefits of methi seeds. Just like many diabetic-friendly foods like bitter gourd, amla and jamun, fenugreek called methi is also known to be an effective home remedy for controlling blood glucose levels. And this is the reason why including methi in the diet. Eating soaked methi early in the morning is recommended for controlling diabetes. This home remedy not only helps in managing type 2 diabetes but also helps with weight loss and lowering your lipid profile, which are known to be risk factors for diabetes. Lowers blood glucose level. According to a 2014 study published in the Nutrition Journal, the hypoglycemic effect of fenugreek is attributed to the presence of soluble fiber, which not only reduces the rate of digestion by the enzymes but also reduces the absorption of glucose from the G1 tract. These seeds also contain trigonelline, a compound which increases insulin sensitivity and also reduces glucose levels in the blood. Moreover, the presence of 4-hydroxysolacin, a novel amino acid in fenugreek, stimulates glucose-dependent insulin release by the pancreatic cells, thereby helping you to control your blood glucose naturally. Exerts hypolipidemic effect. Fenugreek seeds are also packed with polyphenols and flavonoids, which exert antioxidant action, thus lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body. The fiber galactomannan exerts lipid-lowering effect by forming a viscous gel in the intestine and hence limits the absorption of lipid and glucose. Delays onset of diabetes in pre-diabetics. Including fenugreek in your diet delays the onset of pre-diabetes to diabetes due to its decreased insulin resistance. The high alkaloid content in fenugreek seeds increases serum insulin levels along with reducing LDL cholesterol levels and hence help you to maintain the blood glucose level of control. Here is a home remedy to control diabetes with fenugreek seeds. Take a pan, add fenugreek seeds and roast them until it gets brown color. Now take it off from the flame and let it cool. Then put it in a blender and make a fine powder. Take a cup of yogurt, add 1 teaspoon of this fenugreek powder, mix well. Add a pinch of salt for better taste. It is better to start with a little dose. Take this twice daily. You may not find changes overnight or in 1 or 2 days, but it works slowly. Fiber in fenugreek seeds regulates body sugar levels, it lowers the glucose absorption in intestines. Along with this, you have to do physical exercises and improve eating habits. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.